Hey everybody, I'm Kristi Perikly and welcome to Tune Up Tuesday. Today we're going to do a deep dive into geothinQ pins and some things that you may not know you can do with them. geothinQ pins are a great way to keep track of your data, like projects and sites, and tie some attributes to them that you can filter and query later. So for today's example, we are going to filter some pins we've already created based on their attributes, move those pins into a brand new group, and share that group with another user. Okay, let's get started. We're going to start by accessing pins from the menu on the left and toggling on the My Pins group. We'll zoom to the full extent using this button. In this example, we're going to create a new pin group. Then we'll filter a selection of existing pins based on a few different criteria and move them into this new group. To start this process, we want to click on the toolbox icon to access the tools for the pin group. This brings us by default to our Filter tab. We want to filter by all the pins that we've attached an image to, assigned the color red or green to, and placed within a specific area. To do this, we'll click on Attachment Type Image, then we'll click on the red icon, followed by the green icon, and finally we'll focus the selection even more by drawing a general location. And we'll click Done to hang on to these selections and get back to the main pins panel. Now we're going to create a new group to move these pins to. Next to the word Groups, we'll click on Add Pin Group. We'll give this group a unique name. We're going to add a coworker to this group, so we'll click on Manage Group. Here is where we'll type in another user's email, click Add, and I want to make this person an admin, which allows them to make changes to the pins as well as changes to the group itself. So we'll click on this icon, and then we'll choose Save to apply all of these changes. Now we can go back to our pin selection at the top by clicking on the toolbox again. We'll choose Send To tab this time, and under Share Pins, we'll click Share. Since we're not sending these pins to another user's My Pins group, we'll share them with a group. We'll pick the new group that we created and choose Add. And we do have the option to add multiple groups here if we wanted to. We want to pull these pins completely out of the My Pins group and move them into the new group rather than copy them to it. So we'll choose Move Pins. Since another user is in this group with me, I have the option to send a quick heads-up message to them if I want. And then we choose Send. Now to see these pins in this new group, we'll go back, turn off My Pins, and now we can check on our new pin group and quickly see the pins that we moved. We can add to this group manually or import spreadsheets or KMZs into it as well. The other user in this group will see these changes automatically. Join me next time for another deep dive.